Okay, so we're in Prachep-Khirikan and we're at the lighthouse right here, and we have these beautiful views of the whole city, and you can also see how the bay goes all the way out like that, and then there's some open space and then a bunch of land over on that side. So we have this nice crescent. There's a monkey temple up there as well, and we're basically going to walk towards the ocean and try to capture the feel of this, walking down the boardwalk. Very cool little space. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. Pretty cool. So we could of course walk all the way down to the end, and we could also start right here at the lighthouse and kind of walk in. Got the monkey temple right there, and what I want to do is walk towards the city from this angle, from the lighthouse, because you can kind of see all of the views of the whole city all the way down across here. So let me just kind of move over a little bit. So yeah, really nice views, and all these boats kind of come in here everywhere as well, and yeah, nice little space. That's the lighthouse right there. Then that's the other side as well, monkey temple. There's so many monkeys over there, amazing. We're just gonna walk in. I don't know what was better, walking in or walking out. Walking out, there's like the vastness of the ocean, which was quite impressive. But I guess all you have to do is turn the camera around, and you can kind of see, you know, just that vastness of both sides of the ocean like that. But of course, as I go in, it's also interesting in its own way as well. And actually, this is going to be the last video of Prachep-Khirikan, and I think I probably did about 9, maybe 8, 9 videos of Prachep-Khirikan. So they're all just kind of little slices of the city, the marketplace, the ocean, driving through the city, a couple of temples, drove a little bit over there and walked briefly a little bit over there where there's some monkeys. So kind of cool stuff like this. And you keep on following the channel. I'm going to be going into back into Hua Hin, just north of here towards Bangkok, and then we're going to go to the other coastline, which is the Pattaya direction as well. But Prachep-Khirikan, just so you have some information about that, it's about 10,000 people in the city. Kind of a nice small town feel, but you still have all the density, and it's nice and dense too, where you can walk everywhere pretty easily, and you can come along this whole boardwalk. You can walk along it. There's people at nighttime. There's markets. It's a whole market all the way down that way. So anyways, another little element of Thailand for you. Prachep-Khirikan. Looks like we got kind of a tourist sign right there. Looks kind of cool. And we have another one over here. It says check in. And I think what I'm going to do is just walk up here, and I'm going to film looking down the coastline, and you can see some boats. I can see some already. And you can get kind of some final thoughts about Prachep-Khirikan there. The water goes in and out, the tide. So those are probably in the water, I don't know at what time, but sometime. You can see how the ground is kind of wet down in there. You see my eyes squinting from that bright sun. It's about 12 o'clock noon, so can you blame me? Monkey temple over there. Alright, Prachep-Khirikan. another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.
Yeah.